This is my absolute favorite place to eat in Bangsar. It's quite old. I've been here for about 10 years every now and then, but my favorite time of the day is actually breakfast. This is so... the fish curry is so flavorful. It's made with so much love here. Oh, and this is the white bihun. This is vermicelli. I like. With onions, no chilies for me today because I know it can get quite spicy. So what you need to do is actually dip the chutneys, different types of chutneys. I can be quite messy when I eat this. It's so yum. Sometimes I wish I can go into lunch to eat a banana leaf, but today's purely breakfast. And they have amazing banana leaf as well. Very clean tasting stuff. And don't forget, a cup of teh tarik, which is full tea in Malaysia. Not too sweet for me. Cheers! Spicy!